Namaste yogis and welcome to your 15-minute core workout sequence, beginner friendly. Let's begin by centering ourselves, one palm on your heart and the other on the belly. Closing your eyes as you take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale, breathe out, release. Setting a beautiful intention for your practice today. Why am I on this mat today? Hands to your heart center, namaskara. Bow your head down with utmost gratitude and enthusiasm for the practice. And gently open up your eyes. Inhale, lift your hands up, Urdhva Hastasana. Spreading your knees apart slightly, forward fold. And I invite you here to just warm up the body. A beautiful extension for your lower back. Just starting to prepare the body for all of the core workout exercises that we're going to be doing together. Just breathe here as deeply as you can. Inhale to lift up. And exhale, twist. Side to side, keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lovely. 10. Back to center. Exhale, bring it down. Taking your tabletop position, one entire forearm and one palm. And inhale to lift, curve the back. Exhale to round. Cat and cow, Bitsulasana and Murjariasana with the breath. 3. Lovely. 4. Just massaging the spine, preparing yourself. Keep going. Lovely. It's like the dance of your spine. Keep moving at your own pace. Beautiful. As though a string is pulling you from the sky. And move, tuck the toes in, baby bear. Lovely. Inhale, back to your cat. Exhale, baby bear. Just starting to engage the core. That's 3. A gentle lift of the knees. 4. Beautiful. And 5. Breathe, engage the core. And allowing the knees to meet Mother Earth. Inhale, lifting your left leg up, right hand up. Balancing tabletop position. Engage the core and breathe. You're going to hold here. Feel the burn. Beautiful. And exhale, tuck it in and out, tiger pose dynamic. 2, with the breath. 3, lovely. 4, engage the core. And 5, beautiful. Release and let's switch sides, nice and gentle. Right foot comes up and left hand. Balancing tabletop. Engage the core. Hold here. Breathe. Beautiful. And your dynamic tiger for 1, 2, 3, lovely. 4, nice and controlled. 5, and release. Well done. Very gently extending that left leg up, Pilates push-up. 1, 2, exhale down, inhale up. 3, elbows are tucked in. 4, engage the core. 5, point your toe. 6, nice and controlled. 7, lovely. 8, 9, and 10, release. Beautiful. Switch sides for 10, 9, 8, 7, you got this. 6, breathe. 5, 4, nice and strong. 3, 2, and 1, release. Back to your neutral tabletop. Tug the toes in. Once you're ready, exhale into your baby bear. And I invite you to hold here. Just breathe and hold. Engage the core. Wonderful. Just hold. Almost there. And exhale, knees back to Mother Earth. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Lovely. Inhale for Bhujang Cobra Pose. Relax the shoulders. And then exhale back into your neutral. Let's do it 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Engage the core. Inhale for Bhujang. And exhale for your tabletop. Last one. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Cobra. And exhale into your Adho Mukha Balasana. Let's just take a small moment to breathe here. Knees are apart, toes together. Hands are extended. And just relax. Breathe. Allow yourself a short moment of silence. Inhale to lift. Back to your tabletop and then extend the right leg and then the left, coming into Phalakasana, plank position. Lovely. Look ahead of you. Engage the core. A beautiful straight line. Hold. And release the knees back to Mother Earth. Elbows touching the floor. Interlocking your hands into another variation of Phalak. Fitness plank. And breathe here. Engage the core. Lovely. Exhale to relax. And very gently coming back into your tabletop. Inhale to lift your right hand up. Exhale down. Let's do it a few times. 3, 4, just massaging the spine. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, lovely, and 10. Switch sides for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to center, release. Very gently sitting on Mother Earth, nice and comfortable. Let's do some more beautiful poses here. The Navasana family. Interlock your hands, hold them nice, and hold this variation of Navasana. Back is nice and straight and the core is engaged. Feel the burn and release. Let's take a moment into your seated Pavan Muktasan. Just taking a moment here to breathe. Getting ready for variation level 2. Hands to the side this time. Hold the core. Breathe. Don't give up. Lovely. And now side to side, as though you're really into your boat, rowing side to side. Lovely. You're really gonna feel the core here with a smile on your face. Exhale. Lovely. Seated Pavan Muktasan. Relax. Take a moment. Just breathe. And very gently, I invite you to make your way down and then lift up once again into your crunch. 2. Exhale up. 3. With the breath. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Lovely. And very gently hug your knees in, making beautiful circles with your knees. Releasing any tension in the lower back. Just relax for a moment and switch the direction, nice and steady. Feel that beautiful relaxation for the spine. Interlocking your hands behind your back. Into your arrow shooting. Side to side, keep going. Make sure that the leg is nice and straight. Toes are pointed as much as you can. Keep going. You're really gonna feel the core here. Lovely. And relax here for a moment into Anand Balasana, holding your big toes. Rocking yourself from side to side if you wish to. And just taking a moment of pause. Checking in with yourself. And very gently, gliding into a beautiful straightening of your legs. Lift up and down, just like this. You're really gonna feel the core into your J shape. Lovely. Relax. Well done, yogi. Beautiful. The soles of the feet will touch Mother Earth and prepare yourself for Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose, dynamically done. 2. Just strengthening your back. 3. Squeeze the glutes. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8, 9, 10. You're gonna hold here, hold, a little higher, lift a little higher, and breathe. Beautiful. And relax. Very gently lifting the legs up and gliding for leg raises. 1. 2. Beautiful. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Relax. Beautiful. Release those legs. And very gently, you're going to touch ankles side to side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Relax. Window cleaners here, just dropping both the knees from side to side, releasing any tension in the spine. Take a moment. Feel the opening in the hip region and the lower back. Well done, Yogi. Beautiful practice today. And then once you're comfortable, make your way into Supta Baddha Konasana, supine butterfly pose. Just for a few moments of relaxation here. Palms on the belly, and allow gravity to do its own work. Just relax completely. Deepen the breath and let go. Relax. And once you're comfortable, I invite you to make your way into our final pose for today, Shansarovar Asana, the peaceful lake pose. Knees together, feet apart, palms on the belly, chin slightly tucked in, and just relax completely, allowing yourself to integrate and absorb the whole practice. And I'll see you in the next one, Yogi. Beautiful. Just bask in that inward state of joyfulness and love. Namaste.